Hello! Today's look was made for Halloween makeup channel and I'll leave the link down below together with all the products that I used. Make sure to check them because they have a loads of Halloween makeups. Today I'm painting all my insides out and I have first my lenses in and then makeup on one eye. I'm blocking my brow with a wax and then tapping powder over the brow so it's nice and smooth, it's easy to paint on. I'm lightening the area around my eye and forehead with a bit lighter tone. This is going to be a skull part. For this look I was using two reference pictures. One is a skull and other is muscles. And here I'm going to combine them together. With a black color I'm defining the area of an eye socket, and then looking at the picture I'm going to outline all the lines for muscles and a basic shape for a skull. And I'm going to go with muscles over my skull as well, since it's how it would be attached. Then I'm going to fill in with orange or red color all the places that muscles are going to be in. Looking at the reference picture, I'm leaving some places blank for a lighter colors, but generally it's just going to be all over the muscles and it's going to work as a background. Now I'm taking the rake brush and going over all of the muscles with a darker color. I'm doing roughly the same with the neck. Not going into much detail, so just the general direction of muscles. To make these muscles look more realistic, I'm adding white color, and I'm not adding it everywhere all the way through. It's just at the ends, it's a bit lighter, and some lines going through the whole muscle. I repeat this process for every muscle, and it's quite easy job, but it takes a little bit of time. For those ends of the muscles that are hiding, I'm using even darker, like red and black or brown color, and add a bit more to make it a bit deeper, either with a rake brush or just using a regular round small brush. And then I'm shadowing dark areas even more with Mehron Star Blend, either black or brown color. Also I'm shadowing in the cartilage of the nose and also all the way around the skin cut. All the time that I'm painting, I'm checking with my reference pictures and shadowing all of the areas that are beneath my skin. They all need to be a bit darker so it looks like the skin is the first layer and so on. And now I'm making my eye area a bit darker as well to paint a deep socket, and going around my skull to also create some 3D effect. And try not to use only black but also deep red, brown colors, so it varies a little bit with the tints of color. Now I'm going to add some more highlights. I'm going around the edges of my skull, and then I'm starting to go over my muscles again, highlighting them even more. If you would like to see more of my works, not only one stroke but also collaborations, tutorials, transformations, you're welcome to follow me also on Instagram. And while I remember, I would like also to invite you to the group One Stroke Beauty, where you can see lots of one-stroke designs, not only by me but by other amazing artists, some video tutorials. And also I have placed at the top of this group in announcements the artists that are painting in one stroke technique, and then you're free to add add your options, the artists that inspire you in one stroke, or vote on those whom you already like and they're already here. And this is kind of a chart of inspiration for you. If you're looking for some inspiration, you can always look through this artist and be inspired. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. If you like tutorials like this, subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to check Makeup Tutorials channel, and I'll see you very soon in my next tutorial. Bye!